Okay, all gates confirmed locked on the manifest. Latches are tight. We are good to go.
Keep it coming back, driver. Watch your angle. All right, slow it down. Right there, hold it. Nice and easy, watch your step there. Clear on this side, sending the last group down.
Move along now, keep it steady. Watch the gate on the left. Watch the gate on the left.
As you can see on the monitor, the reading here indicates optimal health. Yes, I've updated the digital record.
Temperature is 38.5. Vitals are excellent. Uploading the scan results now, doctor.
All vitals are stable. We can move her along now.
The safety protocols are holding, but we need to optimize the throughput here.
The data shows a clear increase in milk production efficiency this quarter, and the health markers remain stable across the herd.
Health review complete. Data looks excellent. Verified on the manifest. Approved.
Looks good. Vitals are strong.
Confirmed. I've updated the status to approved on the tablet.
Easy now, right this way. Make sure the gates are secure.
Gates locked. Proceed to the drying station.
This one is clear. Send her through. Opening the gate now. Ready for the next.
The texture on this hide is exceptional. Agreed. Just one small mark here we need to note for the cutting team.
Here at the facility, we ensure every hide meets our rigorous standards for softness and durability and appearance.
The stitching on this calfskin is flawless.
Absolutely stunning. They are ready for the showroom. Verify the batch number against the manifest, John.
Batch 4 core in, Sarah. The quality seals are intact. We can approve the delivery.
Tank 3 is reaching capacity. Divert the flow to Tank 4.
Copy that. Rerouting now.
The flow rate stabilized right after the adjustment. Good.
We are cleared to begin the integration sequence. Everything is aligned with the industrial standards for this phase.
Good. Let's log the data and continue monitoring the pressure.
The particle distribution is uniform now.
And the viscosity readings are within the target range. We are cleared for batching.
Check the inventory levels on the tablet. We're running low on the pink soap.
Okay, I'll update the shipment schedule right away.
How's the count on the Pink Delight? Looks good, Supervisor. We're sealing it up now.
There it goes. All clear. Have a safe trip.